Picture this: humanoid robots sitting at the head of the table in a boardroom making decisions that steer the course of a company. Sounds like something out of a science fiction novel? Well, it's not. 2 humanoid robots have already been appointed as CEOs of companies in China and Poland. This shocking fact was just the starting point for Dr. HAL, a prominent figure in the field of artificial intelligence, in his lecture titled AI, Narrowing the Gap Between Awareness and Action, at SMJK Keat Hua. The auditorium was filled to capacity with 3,000 eager listeners, a diverse audience composed of students, teachers, AI experts, and policymakers. Dr. Lim took the audience on a journey, starting with the present capabilities of AI, and then rewinding back to the origins of this technology. He painted a vivid picture of the development of the electronic computer in the 40s, and traced the evolution of AI from its birth in the 50s, through the emergence of machine learning in the 60s, to the advent of deep learning in the 70s. The journey didn't stop there. Dr. Lim navigated his listeners through the concepts of narrow, general, and super AI. He spoke of technological disruption in the past, how it led to job displacement but also to reskilling and upskilling. He highlighted examples of how technology has enhanced decision-making and creative processes. But the world of AI isn't just about technology. Dr. Lim contrasted the academic environment with the commercial, pointing out the need for change in the way educators teach and students learn. He urged them to adapt to leverage the new technology, to capitalize on it rather than be overwhelmed by it. His lecture was more than just a history lesson or a tech talk. It was a call to action. He left the audience with a clear message: learn how to learn, be more human, and AI will not take your job. It is somebody using AI who will take your job. In essence, Dr. HAL Lim's lecture was a fascinating exploration of the past, present, and potential future of AI. It was a wake-up call, a reminder that we are not just passive observers of technological advancement, but active participants who can shape our own futures. His key messages serve as a compass, guiding us on how to navigate this rapidly evolving landscape.